So you just watched my YouTube video about myself, my own introduction, and I wanted to show you how to make your own. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to YouTube, and you can actually go to youtube.com/editor, and this is where you can create your own videos using a bunch of files that you have on your computer or files that you have um, available to you through YouTube Editor. So let's take a look here. I've started creating a video, and I want to show you a few things first before we get going. Any audio or video that you put in here, you can automatically thin depending on which part of it you want. So let's say you only want the middle 48 seconds here of this clip. You can shorten it and move it around anywhere you like. Those really quick and easy tools that you have available to you. And notice that anytime you click on a video, you have all of these options up here available to you. Some brightness and contrast. Fix here, you can adjust it manually too. These are automatic. You can do some slow motion, you can rotate, you can pan and zoom. So you have a lot of options here with your video and your photographs as well. You can add some filters, add some text, and even adjust the level of audio, which is going to come in handy if you want to put any music or narration over your video. So let's go back here. And any video or audio you want to use, you simply drag and drop. So you've really got a lot of options here as far as flexibility with what you choose to include in your video. And let's say you want to include some narration. You can simply record a video of yourself speaking but not use the video. Let's say this is your narration and I want to bring it down here and use it simply for its audio. Well, I can do that, and I can adjust it so that this is the loudest and the video it plays over is not even heard at all.
I grew up in Scope.
So let me take you through a few more options here. The videos that you've uploaded, whether that's through your YouTube Capture app or from a webcam on your computer. There are a variety of ways to get those videos into this space, and as long as you're logged into your Google account, they should sync just fine. You also have here available to you Creative Commons videos. So these are videos that are free for you to use without breaking copyright. Let's say you want people to know that we are out on a boat somewhere. Your scene takes place on a boat. Then we can take this man on rowboat, drag it here to set our scene, and then it starts playing. So these are some nice ways to really set the scene if you're creating more of a creative video. Here you can add photos, so any photos you take with your iPhone, any photos that you save on your computer that you're working with, you can add photos to your project through a variety of options here. So let's wait for a little bit. So now you can see I can choose from any photos I upload any photo albums I've created, or you can up your own photos from your desktop or from any files you have on your computer. That's a really nice, easy option. So you can take pictures using your phone. You can download pictures from Google Images. It's pretty easy. And those pictures will show up here, and you can drag them over just like you did with the videos. And you can even shorten and lengthen, just like with the videos, how long they appear on the screen. The default is 5 seconds, and sometimes even that is too long, depending on what you're using. A few more options here. You can add some Creative Commons audio that, again, is free to use. You're not breaking copyright, and there is a lot of music here that you can search by genre. And let's say you want From Russia with Love. You can pull that down to the audio section right there. And again, you can shorten and lengthen which part of that audio track you play, where you want it to play. And again, you can adjust the volume. So maybe you want it just playing lightly in the background, or you want it to be the only thing your viewer hears. A few more things. You have some transition that I would use lightly. I wouldn't overuse them, but they're fun. They can be cool and interesting depending on what you're doing. And you can even add some titles. So when you're creating your video, know that the main thing you want to do is be able to upload photos. And then when you're adding a narration, I would add a video that you've used to narrate, and just use the audio from it and drop that video narration down as an audio file. Then whatever you're talking about, depending on what you want to show up on the screen, move it around, adjust it, edit it, and maybe even add some cool transitions. So I hope that was helpful to you. If you have questions, come and ask your peers, and don't be afraid to play cool. It's available to you for free. It might not be the best video editing system in the world, but it's free, and you can do some pretty cool things with it.